most basic car maintenance service every motorist can perform is tire pressure. And yet, in my over 30 years of maintaining vehicles, I've found it's one of the most neglected aspects of car maintenance. It sounds so basic, right? I mean, tire pressure is just a number. But that number is a critical component of your car's safety, efficiency, and overall performance. First, let's address a common question. What exactly is correct tire pressure? The answer is not on the sidewall of the tire itself. That number is the maximum pressure the tire can safely handle, not the vehicle manufacturer's recommendation. The correct tire pressure is always found on a sticker, usually located on the driver's side door jamb, in the glove box, or in the owner's manual. This number is carefully calculated by the car manufacturer engineers to provide the best balance of ride comfort, handling, and fuel efficiency for your specific vehicle. So, what happens when you ignore that sticker? Well, let's start with underinflation. When your tires don't have enough air, the sidewalls bulge out and most of the tire's surface area contacts the road. Now, this may sound like a good thing, but it's not. An underinflated tire has increased rolling resistance, creating excessive friction and heat. That extra heat is the number one cause of tire failure. It can cause the internal structure of the tire to break down, leading to a blowout. The symptoms of underinflated tires are subtle but important. You might notice a spongy, less responsive feel to the steering. The car might feel a bit sluggish. And over time, you'll see premature and uneven wear on the outside and inside edges of the tire tread. You're essentially wearing out a perfectly good tire from the edges in, cutting its life short. Additionally, because an underinflated tire is essentially dragging down the road, fuel economy is reduced and engine oil consumption is increased. Now, let's look at the opposite problem, overinflation. This is when you put too much air in the tire, often in an attempt to improve fuel economy. Now, while this may seem like a good idea, it causes a number of problems. When a tire is overinflated, the center of the tread bulges out and only the middle section makes contact with the road. The symptoms of an overinflated tire is a harsh, jarring ride and a noticeable lack of grip. Picture it like driving on a basketball. The car will feel skittish and nervous, especially over bumps. The most telling symptom, however, is premature wear down the center of the tire tread. You're wearing out the middle of the tire while the edges still have plenty of life, again, dramatically reducing the lifespan of the tires. The simple truth is, maintaining the correct tire pressure is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money and ensure your safety. It maximizes your fuel economy, provides optimal handling, and ensures your tires wear evenly, giving the best chance of receiving the maximum tread life. So, stop ignoring that annoying TPMS warning light. All you need is a tire pressure gauge and a few minutes of your time each month. Or, better yet, find a trusted service provider that includes tire pressure correction every time an engine oil and filter service is performed. Just be sure to confirm that they understand correct tire inflation, because sadly, some don't. By keeping your tires properly inflated, you're not just doing basic maintenance, you're actively ensuring your car is safe and efficient. I'm Troy Binder, and this has been GearCast.